some pissed off fumo son. I'm fighting for my soul. God, get at your boy. You try to go God, fall back. I go hard on this lonely road, trying to make it home. Doing it by my lonesome, pissed off fumo son.
I see them long hard times to come.
What's up, everybody? So today, let's talk about dream bikes. Talked about that before. We're gonna talk about it again. Anyways, what? Oh, I got a question about this. What is your favorite bike to this day that you've ridden? Not a dream bike, but what's your favorite bike to this day that you've driven? Ridden, not driven. Ridden. Sorry, sir. That's pretty bug just got me. Anywho, let's see here. Mine. What is my favorite bike I've ridden so far? This one. I hate this fucking bike, but I love it. I say I hate it. I don't hate it. I love this bike. I love it so much. It's treated me good. It's treated me amazing. And I put it through hell, and it's just like, all right, let's go do it again. This bike is amazing. And I will forever say the 96 cubic inch is the best engine ever. Y'all can argue, yo, what about the 114, the 131, the 103, the 106? Fuck those engines. Those are junk. I've ridden them. I've raced them. There isn't an engine out there that's beat this bike yet. A 114 hasn't. I smoked a 131. Nothing has beat this bike yet. Anyways, 96 cubic inch, best bike ever. I love my Softail Springer. My crossbones. Hey, that's a cool ass truck. Anyways. Squirrel. I love this bike. This is by far my favorite bike ever. Wonder what my second bike would be next to this one, since this one's mine, you know. I guess I could just kind of list them out. What do you think? Maybe Travis, my buddy Travis, his R1. Before the mods, it was amazing. After the mods, that bike is stupid. Amazing. Most uncomfortable bike I've ever been on next to a Fat Bob. Actually, Fat Bob's even worse. But I do love his R1. I say his R1, it's not his anymore. He actually gave it to his wife, Paige. She's been out riding that son bitch, do a little bit of roll racing. I mean, the bike is ridiculous. I'm not sure how much horsepower it's pumping out, but it's pumping out a lot. But the bike is ridiculous. Anyways, I would have to say that's my second favorite bike I've ever been on. Let's just go to the third and be done with it. My third favorite bike, as much as it pains to say, because there's so many out there and so many of you other YouTubers have them and ride them. FZ07. Fucking love that bike. It's fun as hell. I mean, like, it's just a straight up hooligan bike. Wheelies like crazy, so much low end torque. I mean, you ain't gonna, if I go back to my footage, I think the fastest I ever got that bike up to was 122, something like that. 122, 123, fastest I could get it to go. I'm not a big guy. I'm 5'8", 175, 180 pounds, depending on when I take a shit.
Look at my crotch! Look at my crotch! Look at my crotch!
But I did love that bike. It was fun. I'd like to have one, except for I wouldn't like to have one. I think it'd be a fun bike, but I really would rather have an FZ09, honestly. I want that higher speed, because adrenaline, please, I need it. was actually going to think about running over Travis's house, but I don't think I will. I think I'm just going to chill out and ride. Anyways, those are my 3 favorite bikes I've ridden. Dream bikes. Everybody knows my dream bikes. I fucking said it over and over and over and over again, right? Ah, there's cars coming. I can make it. Fuck you guys. Scrapity scrape. I have 2 dream bikes. I mean, kind of 3, but you know, blah. First and foremost dream bike is the Ducati X Dival S. I mean, I've said that 1,000 times. Never even got to ridden one yet. Damn it! Never even got to ride one yet. And I really want to ride one. I really want to see what it's all about. Everybody that rides one. I can't fucking talk today. Anyways, I never got to ride one. I know a lot of people that have ridden them, and it looks so much fun. I want to ride one so bad. I want one. I want to ride one first because I'm a picky motherfucker. If I don't ride, if I'm gonna buy a bike without riding it first, that's just dumb. And then my second one will be the Ducati Monster 1200R, because exactly, fucking stupid bikes. They're stupid fast, they're stupid expensive, to work on. I mean, I ride a fucking Harley. Why the fuck would I want the next most unreliable expensive bikes to work on, right? What's going on down there? Y'all having a party? Hey, party time! Anyways, Monster 1200R. I think they're badass. I love the looks of them, especially the newer ones. Somebody give me some money. And of course, my 3rd dream bike, just because I can never get enough speed out of anything in the world, an H2. Everybody's like, oh, well, this will outrun an H2, that'll outrun an H2. And you're right. Some bikes will actually outrun an H2. That's fine. But when I'm done modding the fuck out of some bitch, ain't nothing gonna outrun it. I mean, like, I want to go so fast, so bad, that I'd even settle for a Hayabusa. I've said that before, though. Everybody knows I like Hayabusas, because I do. I like Hayabusas, too. I have not hit that 200 mile an hour mark yet. I've gotten close with 187. But that's still a long ways off from 200 whenever you get in that high of speed, you know? So a modded out Hayabusa would be a 4th or 5th bike. But anyways, those are my 3 dream bikes. Those are my favorite bikes I've ever ridden. Blah, 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 blah. Well, that's kind of smart. Put a mirror there. Coming up out of that driveway, that's smart. Ooh, they're building something. I want it. Oh, let's jump that. So, if you're new here, check out a couple of the other videos. Hit that subscribe button if you like what you see. Comments should be fixed. I think I mentioned that in another video, last video, other video. I don't know when. Anyways, comments should be fixed. So hit them comments up. Look at this, bro. So, comments. Ooh, I went too far with that one. Share, like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff. Do it all. Do it all. As always, dream about me, and I will catch you on the flip side. Later.